We've seen smartwatches with round faces, we've seen smartwatches with square faces. We've seen smartwatches with large displays, and of course we've seen smartwatches with tiny screens. But how many of you have seen a smartwatch with a curved edge display? The OPPO Watch 46mm was just launched recently, and along with a dual curved display, you also get a bunch of features that could make this the ideal daily driver for many users. Hey guys, it's Nick from SearchEngine.com and welcome back to another smartwatch unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the OPPO Watch 46mm, the new Wear OS powered smartwatch to come from OPPO. Alright, so let's unbox this. First, let's have a look at the box. It's pretty nice and simple, just a couple of OPPO logos on the sides, and if you look really carefully, this is actually pretty cool. There's a little hologram effect here on the picture of the watch, and yeah, I like that. That's a nice touch. Okay, so now let's see what's inside. And okay, let's take this off, and yeah, this is the OPPO Watch 46mm. Alright, let me pull it off. Okay, so it actually feels pretty good in the hand right now, and this is the dual curved screen that I was talking about earlier, and it definitely looks good. And now let's flip it around. And yeah, you can see the heart rate sensors here, and here is where you charge the watch. And yeah, this is also a silicone strap, and overall it feels lightweight enough, and it actually feels pretty premium in the hand. Okay, so let's put this aside for a second and get to the rest of the box. All right, let's pull this off and oops. This is the manual and some more information. Yeah, OPPO Watch 46mm Wi-Fi. Next up, it looks like OPPO provides an additional rubber strap for the watch, so that's nice if you ever lose yours. Now, this is the Watch VOOC flash charger, which magnetically latches onto the watch to charge, and the other end is USB-A, so you can plug it into, anything else, a power adapter or even a laptop. Okie doke, so let's just set the watch up now. To finish the setup, I am going to need to load up the Wear OS app on my smartphone. Yup, and okay, we're done. This is how the OPPO Watch 46mm looks on my wrist, and it looks really nice, I think. And yeah, that is definitely a beautiful display. OPPO says that this is the world's first 3D flexible dual curved display with Wear OS by Google, and it sure looks beautiful. The squarish design somewhat resembles the Apple Watch, but OPPO says that this design choice has been made to give users more information at a glance compared to a round watch face. The cherry on top, this is a 1.91-inch AMOLED display, so the always-on feature is also supported. Meanwhile, one of the nice things about the OPPO Watch is Wear OS. Google's smartwatch operating system offers over 4,000 apps via the Play Store, along with access to Google's native functions such as Google Translate and Google Fit with over 90 workout modes supported. One of the best things about Wear OS is the ability to sync everything up with your Google account, so you can set up Google Calendar reminders or jot down notes on Google Keep wherever you are. You can even make and receive phone calls with the built-in mic and speaker on the OPPO Watch, and of course, you'll be able to reply to WhatsApp and text messages all on the spot. Type your response or use voice-to-text technology in real time. And to style up your OPPO Watch, you also get a really cool customization feature. The idea here is to have a smartwatch that also doubles up as a fashion statement, so you get OPPO's AI style matching watch faces. These interactive watch faces give you the flexibility to find one that fits your own style, and I personally like this one. Okay, so here's how you use them. First, you need to open up the HeyTap Health app and head over to the Manage tab, and then click on the watch faces. Select AI Outfit and take a picture of your OOTD. So choose a variation that fits your outfit best, because the app provides a couple of different choices for you, and there you have it. This is a nice nifty little feature that kind of gives you a little bit more customizability, and I like it. Plus, the straps are also interchangeable and you can remove them with just a single button press. For fitness, functions include 5 OPPO designed workout modes along with a built-in 5-minute fitness app. For swimmers, you get 5 ATM water resistance, which should be good for 50 meters of submersion. Overall, there are 5 sensors on the OPPO Watch to monitor health: blood pulse monitoring, breathing, steps, and sleep. This is also a multi-day watch because for battery life, OPPO promises up to 36 hours on a full charge, and with power save mode on, you should be able to get up to 21 days out of a single charge. And when you run empty, Watch VOOC flash charging will fully charge the OPPO Watch in just 75 minutes. This battery life is also down to the two processors working in tandem. The Snapdragon 3100, which takes care of the smart mode, and the Ambic Micro Apollo 3, which handles the watch's power saving mode. Putting all of that aside for a second, the OPPO Watch 46mm truly has a screen unlike any smartwatch that I have ever seen. Curved edges on the 1.91-inch display give this a look that's similar to high-end smartphones, and in the hand, the OPPO Watch feels well-built and premium. So that brings us to the end of this unboxing. What do you guys think about the brand new OPPO Watch? Let us know in the comments section below. This video is brought to you by OPPO, and as always, if you enjoyed it, remember to give it a thumbs up, like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos from us. Alright, so this is Nick signing off for now. Bye!